Custom Sawing strikes again. Urban milling in the backyard in Modesto. Slapping up Theodora cedar. So Jack, this is Charles from Knothead Custom Sawing. What are we doing here today?
We're cutting up some wood.
And what do you think about the first slab that came off the mill?
I think it's beautiful.
But how heavy is it?
It's heavy.
So that
No
one's
light work here.
That one's 20 inches wide. What are we gonna do when we get to the ones that are 5 feet wide?
I better call more friends.
Yeah, you better call more friends. Let's mill some more slabs, buddy.
Let's do it.
Oh man, that thing looks heavy. That slab probably weighs 350, 400 pounds, 3.5 inches thing. I'm glad I'm running the mill, not moving the slabs. Holy cow. Knothead Custom Sawing, gotta go saw some more slabs. Slabs, yeah! So, Mr. Jack Jagger, what do you think about milling wood with Knothead Custom Sawing?
Oh, I think it's pretty badass.
Yeah, they got some pretty cool equipment.
Oh, the best.
So, are you pretty happy with these slabs that we made for you?
Extremely happy.
Right on. Would you call us again for another sawing job?
You know I will.
Right on. We enjoyed working with you, buddy.
Thanks.
Happy to hear it.
Thank you.